Need quick access to your remote devices without requesting a new password each time? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set a permanent password in TeamViewer. Let's get started. First, launch the TeamViewer application on your device. Once it's open, click on the Settings gear icon, located in the main interface. From there, choose Advanced from the sidebar menu, then click Show Advanced Settings at the bottom. In the Options menu, go to the Security section. Under the Random Password, for spontaneous access option, toggle it to disable. Next, click on Advanced, scroll down to the Personal Password field. Then click OK to save your changes. On the main screen of TeamViewer, the permanent password that you have set is now visible. Thanks for watching. See you next video.